What's up, guys? Hope you're all doing great. Today we're unboxing, should be a mouse, as you can see, mouse. So yeah, let's get started. Yeah, how do we unbox this? Okay. So yeah, this took some time to come, a few months. If you live in Africa, life isn't that easy, my friends. So yeah, this should be the package. Something like iMice, high precision gaming mice. We just do the best. Yeah, though I expected a much safer package from AliExpress, but anyway, at least it arrived. So this is the mouse. Nothing too special, but it's pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, and I think that's just about it for the unboxing, unless you want me to try it. Yeah, let's just see how it lights up. Let me connect it to the PC. Wow, not bad, right? Not bad. So yeah, iMice, just the best we can do. X6 gaming. I think that's just about it for the video. Be sure to subscribe. Yeah, and it works. It does feel quite good in the hands. Proper grip. So thanks guys for watching. Peace out. Subscribe for more.